First of all, go to Files, then open Image. Press Ctrl and select two images which you want to merge. Double click on them for open in Photoshop. Select Captain America's photo as a background layer. Zoom in Captain America's photo by Ctrl, Alt and mouse scrolling button. Now select Lasso Selection tool and start selecting Mr. Bean face area. Now select Selection tool and drag it to background image. Press Shift and transform it properly. Once you have transformed it, then press Ctrl and click on Mr. Bean face layer for selection. Then go to Select menu, Modify, Contract, change it to 5 pixels and then click on OK. Now select the background layer and unlock this layer. Now press Delete button from the keyboard and Captain America's face should be removed to this photo like this. Now press Ctrl and select these two layers. Go to Edit menu. After that, Auto Blend Layers. And finally select Panorama and click on OK. It's amazing. Change someone's face in Photoshop. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.